Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you're using Mozilla Firefox, then just to let you know that it seems that Mozilla is working on a new feature to streamline the tab menu. So to debloat and declutter the right-click tab menu in the browser. And that's because in the nightly version of Firefox, which is an early preview version, if we head into our customization options and we head into our settings, here as part of the Firefox Labs experimental features, there's a new streamlined tab menu that's become available as an experimental feature to start testing. And it says, see a simpler context menu when you right-click a tab. It's designed to make common actions easier to find. Now with that off, if we right-click, there are 17 items available in the right-click context menu when I last did the math. Now if we toggle that on and we right-click, we can see things are looking a lot less cluttered. And when the streamlined tab menu is toggled on, there are 14 items available. So we lose 3 items. And if I check that off and we head back to the so-called standard right-click context menu, as far as I can see, we are getting rid of closed duplicate tabs, the not so used items, and we're getting rid of select all tabs as far as I can see, and move tab. So if we go back, that looks like it's correct. So those are the 3 items that are being removed. So it's just become available in the nightly version. So most of the features that do land up in Firefox Labs eventually, by the history I'm seeing with these experimental features, do make their way into the stable as default features eventually. So I personally don't see why this wouldn't make its way, streamlined tab menu, make its way into the stable version of Firefox eventually. But I like that. I like it when we get options. So just another way to customize the browser, which Mozilla has of late been focusing quite a lot on, where they are paying quite a lot of attention back on the browser, which I think is a good thing. So streamlined tab menu could be on its way to Firefox. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.